student, welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Now super tricks for finding the rank of the following words. Now first one, mother. Now we will find the rank of the word mother. First write the given word mother. And then give the ranks to the letters of the given word in the dictionary order. Now, first one, first rank, A, B, C, D, E. This is first rank. E, F, G, H, second rank. Next, third rank is M. Next, fourth rank goes to O. Next, fifth rank R. Next, sixth rank goes to T. Now, these are the ranks of the letters of the given word in a dictionary order. Okay, na? Now, for 3, the lesser values of 3 in right side, the number of lesser values in right side of 3. How many less values of 3 in right side? This is 1, 2. 2 less values of 3. So 4 is greater value, 6 is greater value, 5 is greater value. So 2 and 1 are less values of 2. So now here we will write the number of less values of 3. How many less values? Here 2. Now here from 4 to 4, the number of less values of 4 to right side of 4. How many less values? Here 6 is greater value, 2 is less value, 1 is less value, 5 is less value, greater value. So less value, number of less values are 2. Now 6. How many less values to right side of 6? Right side of 6. Right side of 6, 1, 2, 3. 3 less values. Now next go to 2. How many less values of 2? Right side of 2. Right side of 2 only 1. So the less values of 1 in right side. How many less values of 1 in right side? No, nil. So 0. The number of less values of 5 in right side? No, nil. 0. Okay now. Now multiplying these values, multiplying with 0 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay na? Now the rank here in the given word, no letter is repeated. All the letters are dissimilar. Okay na? Observe this. All the letters are dissimilar. So rank of the word mother, rank equal to here 2 into 5 factorial, 2 into 5 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial plus 1, that is itself. Okay na? Plus 1 యాడ్ చేయాలండి. దాని పొజిషన్ అనమాట. ప్లస్ 1 అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో 2 into 5 factorial. 2 into 5 factorial is 120 plus 2 into 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2, 24 plus 3 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 into 2 factorial. 1 into 2 factorial is 2 plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 1. Now 2 into 120, 240, plus 2 into 24, 48, 3 into 6, 18, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 0, plus 0, plus 1. Now adding all these, 240, 288, 290, 290, 309 total. Okay, na? 309. So, the rank of the word mother is 309. Okay, once again. First, write the given word mother and give the ranks to the letters of the given word in alphabetical order. First one is A, right? Read, like as A, B, C, D and so on. Okay, na? Here A, B, C, D. Here C, D, E. This is the first one. Next H, that is second rank. Tarvata M, next third rank. O goes fourth rank. Next R, sixth. T is R is sixth. T is sixth rank or 5. Now for 3, the number of less values to right side of 3. Right side of 3. How many less values? Here 1, 2, right 2. Here for 4, number of less values, then 4, number of less values to 4 in right side. So 1, 2. Here 6. The number of less values of 6 in right side. 1, 2, 3. So for 2, the number of less values is only 1. So for 1, the number of less values in right side is 0. So the number of less values in right side is 0. Now write 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So now the rank of the word is 2 into 5 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 0 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial plus 1 added 1. That is the last position, the position of the rank, the position of the mother anamata. So now 2 into 120, 240, 48, adding all this, then we will get 308. This is the rank of the word mother. Okay, understood? Write down. Next we will go to next word. That is next word. Second one, danger. Danger. Okay, na? Write the given word. First write the given word. What is the given word? Danger. Danger. Okay, na? Now give the ranks to all the letters in the given word. First rank goes to A. Next rank goes to D. Next rank A, B, C, D, E. Third A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. 5. This is the last one, 6. Okay, na? These are the ranks to the letters of the given word in a dictionary order. Now, for 2, the number of lesser values, of 2 in right side. How many less values in right side? Only 1. This is 1. So for 1, the number of less values of 1, 0. The number of less values of 5. How many less values of 5? 4 and 3 are less values. Here greatest value. We don't consider this. So number of less values are 2. For 4, the number of less values of 4 in right side. In right side only 3. Here this is a greater value. We don't consider this. So this is 1. So 3, the number of less values of 3 in right side, 0. So for 6, the number of less values of 6 is 0. Now we will we will give 0 factorial into 1 factorial. This is 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay, na? Now the rank of the word. Rank equal to the rank of the word danger is 1 into 5 factorial, 1 into 5 factorial, 5 factorial, plus 0 into 4 factorial, 0 into 4 factorial is 0, 2 into 3 factorial, plus 1 into 2 factorial, plus 0 into 1 factorial 0, plus 0 into 0 factorial is 0, plus adding 1, that is the position of the given word. Now 5 factorial is 120 plus 0 plus 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 6, 12. Plus 1 into 2 factorial is 2 factorial is 2. 1 into 2, 2. Plus last one is 1. Now here 135. 120 here the 15. 120 plus 15, 135. So this is the rank of the danger. Okay. Okay. Next we will go to next one. Next one is M set. Now we will find the rank of the word M set. Write the given word. Now here in the given word is are 2 and the rest all different. Is are 2 here 1 2 and the rest all different. Okay, now observe this. Now give the ranks to all the letters in the given word. Okay, now now here first rank goes to A and the rank second rank A B C. Second rank goes to C. Now the third rank. For third rank, here there are 2. Here E's are repeated. 3. And also E3. Next rank M. Fourth rank. This is the fifth rank. T is the fifth rank. Now here E is repeated. E occurs in 2 times. Okay, na? Observe this. Now write for 3 the number of less values of 3 in right side. So 1, 2 only. Okay, na? 2. But here E's are repeated in 2 times. So we can write 2 by 2 factorial. E's are repeated in 2 times, then we can write 2 by denominator of 2 factorial. Okay, na? Next. The number of less values of 2 in right side, 0. Next, fourth one, 4. For 4, the number of less values. How many number of less values? 2, 3 are less values, but 5 is a greater value. We don't consider this. Only 2. So, for 2, the number of less values of 2 in right side of 2. How many less values? No, 0. For 3, the number of less values of 3 in right side? No. Here the number of less values of 5 in right side? No. Okay, now. Now, this from this 0 factor, give 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, into 3 factorial, into 4 factorial, into 5 factorial. Okay, now rank of the word M set. 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Plus 0 into 4 factorial 0. Plus 2 into 3 factorial. Plus 0 into 2 factorial 0. Plus 0 into 1 factorial 0. Plus 0 into 0 factorial 0 plus adding 1. That is the position of the given word. 2 factorial by 2 factorial. What is the value of 2 factorial? 2. 2 by 2 cancel. 5 factorial, 5 factorial is 120 plus 2 into 3 factorial. What is the value of 3 factorial? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12 plus 1. So that equal to 133. So the rank of the word M set is 133. Here letters are repeated. Here E's are 2 times. Okay na? Observe this. Next we will go to next example. Fourth one. That is Google. అందరికి తెలిసే ఉంటుందండి గూగుల్. Now we'll find Google, Google. Okay na? Now we will find the rank of the word Google. First write the given word Google. Okay na? Now here G's are, how many G's? G's are 2, O's are 2, and remaining are different. L and E are different. Okay na? Observe this. Now give the ranks to the letters of the given word. Now first rank goes to A, B, C, D, E. First rank goes to E. And second rank goes to G. Here 2 G's are. Here the given word contains 2 G's. Here G goes, second rank goes to G. And third rank goes to L. And then last, fourth rank goes to O. So O's are 2 here, 4. Okay na? Observe this. Now, for 2, the number of less values in right side of 2. The number of less values of 2 in right side. Here 4 is greater value, 4 is greater value, but it is not less value. 3 is greater value, 1 is less value. Only 1 here. 1 by, here repeated. G's are 2 times, so 2 factorial. And O's are 2 times, so 2 factorial. Okay now, next. For 4, the number of less values of 4. Number of less values of 4 in right side. Here 4 is not less value, 2 is less value, 3 is less value, 1 is less value. 3 by, now 4's are 2 times here. Repeated, O's. 4's are 2 times. That is by 2 factorial. For 4, the number of less values of 4 in right side, 1, 2, 3. Here less value. Here all are different. So only we can take 3. Now for 2, the number of less values of 2 in right side, only 1. For 3, the number of less values, only 1. So for 1, the number of less values is 0. Okay na? Now 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial into 3 factorial, here 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay na? Now the rank of the word Google equal to 1 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial plus 3 by 2 factorial into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 1 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial is 0 plus adding 1 at the end. So 1 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 2, 4 into 5 factorial is 120 plus 3 by 2 factorial is 2. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 అండి. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24 plus 3 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 into 2 factorial is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 plus 1. Okay na? Now 4 ones, 4 threes. That is 30 plus 3 ones, 3 twelves. 36, 12 into 3, 36 plus 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1. Now this equal to here 30 plus 36, 66, here 20, 86, here 87, 88. So this is the rank of the word Google. Okay na? Okay na? Write down. So you will try the rank of the word YouTube. YouTube rank calculate cheyandi meeru. You will try the rank of the word YouTube and also father. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students.